for a big box like this. Get this in a hotel room. When you sleep over, you get loads of this hanging around. Is this it? Are you kidding me? Hey lovelies, welcome to my channel. So for today, I've got a review of the Debenhams Advent Calendar. Yes, I got my hands on one of these. Today I'm going to be unboxing and doing a review on this product. So for those people wondering, should I get it? Should I not? Should I get it? Stay tuned. Just gonna jump right into it. It comes like so in this box. I got this for £45, so it's usually £90. But if you buy something in Debenhams, like a beauty product, I bought like the benefits £10. I think it's £11. You know those mini for £11. So I got that and I got this for £45. But if you're getting it on its own, it's £90. So you know that's overkill. You might as well buy something you need. There's always a little mascara, there's something there lying around, but I think it's about £11. So I got that and I got this for £45. So this is how it comes. Very nice. It comes in like so, very posh, and it opens, it opens here, so like so. Very Debenhams. Yes, this is what it looks like. So I'm just gonna jump right in. Ooh, this is a nice one. Kat Von D Go Big or Go Home mascara. Yes, this will go very nicely into my makeup bag. It's just, you can't go wrong with a mascara. Volumizing mascara, it says. Ooh, this is fluffy. This is nice, but it's very small. Very small. This is 2.5G. So, but you know, it's Kat Von D, so you know we're talking about good products. So this is good. Day number two. So for day number two, we've got Clinique. This is the Moisture Surge 18 cream for the face. This would be nice. I like Clinique. So we've got Kat Von D, we've got Clinique. Not bad, not bad. So this is day number two. It's like in a big thing here, so you know, prospects are high. Prospects are high for day number three. Ooh, we've got like a max. Very nice. Day number three, we've got like a mini max. Is from OK. It's always good to have a max. Why not? Number four. Wow, so small. £45, guys. This is by Sage London, and it says primer, hydrating primer. I've got oily skin, so this won't work for me. And it's just so small, guys. This is like a sample size, you know. So day number five. I've got to be positive, guys. Positivity. Positive. Day number five. So what have we got in day number five? It looks big, so promising. Day number five. Ooh, we've got Purity. It's by Philosophy. I love Philosophy. This is like it's a nice cleanser, 3-in-1 cleanser, it says. So that's really good. The six. This is like a smoothing cream by Philoga. So many creams, guys. I don't know. It says it's smoothing cream, wrinkles and things like that. A cream is always good, but you know, I love more makeup than this. Day number 7. Yes! This is the NARS blush in Orgasm. Awesome, cute. It's so cute and small. Let's see what's got in. Ooh. I definitely love this blusher. I don't have it, so that's really good. It's so tiny though. This is on my list to buy, so this is good. I think it's about £25 for the big one, 4.5. Gonna try it. I like it. I do like it. Yes to this. This is one of the best so far. Now we're talking, Debenhams. Now we're talking. Day number 8 is a big box. Yeah, so hopefully when you have a big box, you set a big thing, isn't it? Seriously? It's another max, guys. £45, guys. £45. But you know, I have to be positive. So we've got day number 8. We've got the max by OK. Another big box, and it's quite heavy. Yes, so that's good. A soap, guys. Oh, it smells really like proper old school. It says a soap by the Handmade Soap Company. Oh wow, not a fan, but that's it. Day number 9. It's a soap, guys. A soap. Day number 10. Ooh, another cleanser, guys. This by Murad, and it's a cleanser. Well, you can't go wrong. You'd always use this to take off your makeup or things like that. I guess it's good to have a cleanser. Why not? Why not? Day number 10 is okay. Number 11. Day number 11. Day number... I don't know what. It's a body lotion, guys. A body lotion. You can... Come on, guys. It smells okay. It smells okay, I guess. And it's you know, but you can get this in a hotel room, guys. Definitely. Day number 12. We are halfway, guys. Halfway. Day number 12. Ooh, got another mascara, guys. And this is by Benefits. They are real. Yes, they are real. This is awesome. This is bomb.com, guys. This is really good. Benefits, you can't go wrong with Benefit. Oh god, this is cute. Definitely one of my handbags. 100%. £5 Debenhams gift card. Do you know what? That's really good because my Estee Lauder foundation is running out, and I'll just put this towards that, and that's like £5 off. To be fair, with this gift card, £5, you know, I bought this for £40 because it's £45, £5 gift card. Good. And it's a big box. Day number 14. Big box, so hopefully something good in here. We need to see some good things. Ooh. Oh, it's a lip liner. Buxom lip liner. And it's in the shade Danger Dolly. It looks full size. Awesome. Ooh, that's a nice color. Can use this all over my lips actually. It's a nice shade. Can use this all over my lips. Use a chestnut as a liner, you know. Ooh, nice. It has a nice brush. Nice brush at the end. Very cute. Definitely a yes. This is like £15, guys. I've just checked, and it's like £15. So you know that's looking good. Yeah, 15. Ooh, is Philip Kingsley. Actually a shampoo, guys. Sounds posh, Philip Kingsley. I don't know this product. Ooh, this looks great. NYX. So this is the NYX in Warm Neutral. Wow, that's really eyeshadow. This is lovely. This is like a warm palette. You know, if you're going on holiday, you don't want to carry the world with your makeup and you just need something simple, this is spot on. 17. Literally. Nothing else. Day number 17 with this big box, right? You put a small, tiny thing in this big box. Debenhams. Are you joking me? Like, it's like a top coat. 3 point. The least you could have done is put a full size in here of this. This is for the nails. No good to me. 18. God, enemies. And it's a facial wash, and this is a 15 minutes complimentary card together, so that's good. 19. Waterfall Glow Cream by Pretty Fita. Let's see if it glows. No, it doesn't glow. It's like a primer. It doesn't glow anywhere. No glow. What's this? It's like a primer, and it's just like a sample. You can easily get this from the counter. It's ridiculous. 20. Ooh, looks like Clarins. We've got Clarins. You could easily get this from the counter, guys. Lip comfort oil for the lips. So God, you could get this from the counter, guys. You can go there, try, just go there and get it. It's there, the girls will give you. And so we've got the clearance, and it's the lip oil small. We're on day number 20, and it's looking like this, a sample size thing that people get for free, guys. 21. Ooh, wow, this is looking nice. This is by Rituals, and it's a body cream. I love this product actually. I love their hand cream. So let's smell this. Oh, this is divine. It smells so good, and it's a good size. It's like 70 ml. This is 100% better than the one we got earlier that you could get from the hotel room, and this is a very good product. So day number 21 is looking good. I'm gonna put this in my handbag and use as my hand cream. Yes, because it smells divine. Day number 22. Oh, Debenhams. It's a shower oil, guys. I was so excited for this. A shower oil by Amand. Not impressed with this at all. But day number 22, Amand shower oil. 23. Day number 23. Day number feels heavy, so it might be good. It's almost the last day, so you know I'm expectant. Oh my God. Wow. Oh, you won't believe it, guys. It's a candle. Oh, it's a candle. Unbelievable. Totally unbelievable. It smells okay, but a candle for day number 23, Debenhams by Pax. It's made in England. At least it's made in England, not in China. Made in England. Candle, really? I don't know. We've got. Ooh, hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Awesome. Now we've got MAC, and it's the Ruby Wood. Ruby. MAC Ruby Wood for day number 24. Yes. It's £16.50. So this is full size. Yes, it's full size. Looking great. And it's just awesome. Ooh. Beautiful red for the festive season. You can't go wrong with a red color, and Ruby Woo is just awesome. I have my Ruby Woo, but I'm running out, so this is just fantastic. Do you get it? Should you not? I think you should. Treat yourself. Why not? Especially if you don't have the Ruby Woo. It's a lovely lipstick for women of color, and its full price is £16.50. You know, MAC don't really do sales that much. So it's this and Rituals and the NARS, you know, and the two mascara only does and there's a £5 gift card. That's for the £5 done, literally, because these things I could easily buy. Oh, you know what's in there. So if it's not something you need, like if you've got this already, then there's no need to get it. If you've got this already as well, there's no need to get it. But it's really good. I do think it's worth the money. So we've come to the end of this video, guys. Treat yourself, get yourself that, and just spoil yourself with the max and the cleanser and the candle and the soap. That's just crazy. But guys, thank you so much for sticking around. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and thumbs up this video. Comment in the comment section below. Click on your notification bell so you see any new videos I bring out. Thanks so much. Bye.